Hello, welcome to Mabii Academia for Bilingual and International Institutions, Mabii, presented by SevenSees, the Cross-Cultural Center for Connection, Communication, Collaboration, Creation. Celebrating our 5th year of operation, SevenSees is offering a unique and special series of talks specifically targeted to schools, companies, organizations, and institutions that operate multiculturally. If your institution values promotion of cross-cultural, interpersonal relationships and values the development of practical English, Mabii is for you. I am Yujiro Shimogori, the founder and president of SevenSees. I will be presenting the Mabii series. Briefly, the Mabii presentations are a culmination of my career as a bilingual learner, teacher, and researcher for more than half a century, working in 4 different bilingual programs in the USA and Tokyo, teaching and conducting research at 5 universities in Southern California and Japan. My interest and specialty lie in the potential for furthering human development through the acquisition of English as a second or foreign language. In other words, English language development is not only about communication with foreign people, but has the potential to transform the English learner. I received a master's degree in education with a concentration in constructivist developmental psychology from Harvard University, and a PhD in education with a focus in psychology of biculturalism from San Diego State University. Who is Mabii for? If you or your institution is interested in becoming a better communicator in English, knowing some tips and tricks about bilingual and bicultural development, let alone learning skills and techniques on how to sustain healthy and positive biculturalism, Mabii is for you. Mabii lectures and presentations are on the cutting edge of language education, human development, and psychology. My presentations challenge the current Cartesian duality model of understanding an individual by incorporating the notion of how learning and acquiring English as a second or foreign language may alter the way we think and behave. Current theoretical models rely heavily on monolithic understanding of human existence. That is, when posed the question, how can we interpret human development and psychology from a person who navigates through 2 or more cultures, the answer remains unsettling. By embodying multitudes of conceptual models such as Jean Piaget, Lev Vygotsky, Carl Jung, René Descartes, Erik Erikson, James Marcia, Robert Kegan, and the list goes on, Mabii boldly inquires the effects of bilingualism and biculturalism on human development. All in all, if you are interested in gaining new insights and becoming a successful operator of transformative English, give Mabii a try. Mabii presentations will help you gain new perspectives, new schemas, new ways to introspect and tackle the rapidly evolving world with zest. You will become a change agent of the 21st century. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.